Alright, going to replace a seal on a 2002 Polaris. The rear seal on the strut arm. Just got to remove the wheel, remove the hub. I've looked online for this specific repair, and I found a few things related to this year and model. But I've taken this apart so many times I thought it might be helpful to other people to see how easy it really can be. There's really not much to it. Just got to be careful to not lose any parts and put it back together the way it came apart, of course fixed, and go from there. So I'll just take this apart real quick so you can see how easy it is, and I'll kind of fast forward through the simple stuff like tire removal and jacking it up and all that stuff, so you don't have to endure that. And then when we get to parts that you may have questions about, I'll try to address those in better detail. Here we go. Another bearing. So that's pretty much it. To take it out, put it back in, you're going to want to tap it in there gently and put everything back together the way you took it apart. You know, clean everything up real good and make sure that the surfaces are all nick free and the bearings are all good, and it's a perfect opportunity to inspect all your parts, obviously, to make sure you don't have any other problems. I replaced this seal another time. It had a tear in it because of other issues that were going on with the front end, and had a little trouble getting it out. And I picked up this tool just the other day, this seal puller. As you saw, it worked pretty good. I was skeptical when I saw it. It popped that thing right out of there. I'm a fan now. Last time I just I tore the rubber ring out of there, and I clamped a vice grips on it, and I literally just pulled it out like a cork out of a bottle, and that seemed to work pretty good. I have an owner's manual, shop manual for the Polaris for, you know, a span of years, which is a fantastic book. And it said to just use a screwdriver and get behind it and pry up and down, but I found if when I did that, it tended to scratch the casting a little bit, so I had to do a little sanding and fine-tuning before I put this other seal in. When I put the seal in, I went for a test ride, and I still had some leaks, so I'm not sure what the problem is, but it does not change the process of changing the seal. There's other issues that I need to look at a little closer, apparently some of the detail to make sure I don't have any problems I overlooked last time. But this should get you there. It should do what you need to do, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to answer them, and have fun riding. Get back on the trail, obviously, after you fix this up. Thanks.